Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last lesson, we used IntelliJ IDE to create a landing page of our music website, and also we add a Java domain object of the product so that when we type in the product list in the path, it returns a view of the product with its information. And in this lesson, we'll try to add more content to this page. So you can see right now the page is pretty plain. So we want to make it, consistent with the theme of this page. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, open the IDE, and then we open the product list page. So we don't want this page anymore. Just delete them, and then we go to home page. Just copy all the stuff here and then paste into this product list. And let's see. So we want to keep the content of the header, and we don't need the carousel CSS, and we still need the navigation bar. And this one, carousel part, we don't need it anymore, so we can just delete it. And we have the marketing message and then features. So we can get rid of the comments here. And then get rid of the content. Okay. And we'll modify this part to accommodate our need. So first we change the class to container wrapper, and we add one more division called container. Oops. And then this one is going to cover the footer part as well. So you can press Ctrl Alt and plus the L key to reformat the whole page. And then we try to add a page header section here. Give a title, say all products, and then give a little paragraph. Check out all the awesome products available now. So the way Bootstrap works is that, so when you have a division, and then you just attach whatever classes it's predefined in Bootstrap, and then you will automatically load it into the page. Okay, and after that we need to add the table of our product to list our product. So we're gonna use the Bootstrap table. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. First, go to the Bootstrap page. And then go to CSS page. And on the right side, there is a couple of information you can find, and then there will be a tables section. So this is a basic example of the table, and you can see this is the code of it. So it's pretty straightforward. So you have the table, which is the same as in HTML table code. You just add a class of table to it, and then it will automatically be formatted like that. All right. So you can add more features to it. Say you have you want to strip the table like that, and then you can add the table dash strip, class to the table property, and then you have the effect. So here you can find more useful, format that you like. You can choose whatever you like, but here I'll just show one of the examples. So first we create a table and give a class as table, and then table stripped, and table hover. So whenever you hover a line, a row, that row will be highlighted. And then we have the t head, which is the table head. And then we have the table row. Let's just give a class of bg success. So that's basically change the background color of that row. And then we have the head cell. First one, let's see, give it like a photo form. Duplicate it for several lines. And we have product name and category. Condition and price. Okay. And then we have another table row. So here we will define a image. But right now we don't have any source, so I just say nothing is really showed up. Okay. I'll just put a sharp sign here. And then we have the product name. So we're going to use an expression here to return the product name. Product name. Product category. Product condition. Product price. Add USD to it. Okay. And then we're gonna update the source of it. So I'll just say redeploy. Okay. So let's go ahead and see the page to see if it's updated. There we go. It looks really good. So we have the header section, and then we have the table, and then we have the content loaded here. That looks good. And now I want to add several more products, and then I'm going to load those products in the table as well. So let's just go back to the product day O. Let's just add 2 more products here. So we create another product, say product 2. So I'm going to modify the name of all those. Product 2. let's give the product name as a record. Change the type, change the category as record. A description here. This is a awesome mix of 20th century. And then change the price to say 25. Condition new, status active, unit in stock, give a 51. And then the manufacturer, give a different, say EMI. Okay, this is second product. And give another one, product 3. Okay. So for this product, we give the name of, say, speaker. Okay, want to make a good speaker. And then the category adds accessory. So we can say this is a poke shelf speaker. Give a price, say $355. Maybe that's a reasonable price. Then set a unit in stock 9. Manufacturer's poke. Okay, so we need to add the product 2 and 3 to the list. Okay, so here we create 2 more dummy products, and next we need to change the controller to return the product to attach this product list to the model that we return to the view. Okay, so here in this controller we can see that we have a list which we fetched from the product AO, and then we create a new product and then get the first instance of that product list. It's because previously we only have one product. All right, and then we attached this product to the model that we return to this product list view. So right now we have a product list because we have 3 products. So I want to return a product list in this case instead of just one product. Okay, so what I do is get rid of this line, change the name of this one, say products, and then I can directly attach that. So in this case, what I did is first I put a string name here, and second I put an instance name here. So in this model, I'm attaching this products to the model and give the name of products. Okay, so this name are the same with the instance. I just want to make it, easy to remember in this case. And then we need to go back to the product list page, the JSP file, and you can see it's already complaining that the product is not found. So we need to modify this table. The way it works is that we're gonna use a JSTL tag to loop through each instance of the product list, and then we have the row, each row display just one product at a time. Okay, so in this case we're gonna add some lines to it. Specifically for this one, we're gonna add a C column, which is for JSTL standard tag library, and then we're going to choose for each, and then we give items property, and then we use expression to get the products, which is the products instance we attach to the model, and then we give a var as product. Okay, and then we use this one to cover the whole row. So this products is the model product list that we attach to the model, and then we have var, which represent each instance in the product list. Okay, so because we have 3 products in the list, and this rows should be displayed 3 times. Okay, so let's redeploy the resource and then come back to the page. We refresh to see. There we go. So now we have 3 records displayed. That's pretty good. And next, we want to make this page as a clickable link from the home page, because right now we just directly type in the URL to visit this product list page, which is not that convenient. So we would like to make one of the links in this navigation bar, say this one, we change it to products, and then when we click on it, so you can automatically goes to the product page. All right, so let's go to find the home page, and then here we have the about link. You can see the default is basically a dummy link, so we want to modify that to point to the product list path. All right, so the way we do it is we're gonna use a JSTL tag again to create a link to the product list. Okay, so we're gonna modify this link here using the C column as JSTL, and then we're gonna use URL, saying that it's gonna create a new URL, and then we give the value of product list, and then we close the tag. Okay, change the name about to products. Okay, so press Control F10. So just update classes and resources. So there's one note on these options is that if you just modify the JSP files or the view files, you only need to update class and resources so that the page will be refreshed. But if you have updated, say, Java classes, so in this case, you need to redeploy it to make it become effect. And if you try 2 of them, then they don't actually work. You might want to restart a server in this case. So for now, we just want to use the update class and resources to refresh the view page. Okay. Okay, things are going pretty quick. And then we refresh this page. Okay, we can see the navigation bar, the products is shown up. Now we click on the products. There you go. It brought us to this page. But here, you know, it's still showing about. That's because we just modified the home page navigation bar. In this case, we need to modify the product list page as well. So let's go to the product list page, and then we have this one. Change it to value as product list and close the tag. And also we can add a link to the home page. Value equals root. Okay. We need to add a closing tag here. Okay, so let's just save it and then update classes and resources again. Come back to the page, refresh. Okay, so we have this products display. Click on home, go back to home, click on products, goes back to products. That's good. Okay, I think that should be good for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.